blackout. Nowhere but here. All I see is you, or who you used to be. Can't black it out. Wish I could black out. Wish I could black out. I could black out.
Okay, so we're here at Donington Park. We've got a beautiful day for it here today. There's a great turnout, which is awesome. There's such a great atmosphere. Some awesome Japanese cars here today. So yeah, we're here to do plenty of passenger rides. So why don't you jump on board for a lap? So yeah, we're just about to hit the track now here at Donington. Having a brilliant day. This track is immense. Second, third gear, absolutely screaming. It is an awesome track. So we're just heading out onto the track now. Got the thumbs up from the marshal. Giving it the beans. Third gear, clutch, kick and flip. Back on the power. Second into third. Back down into this bend. Getting good traction, good speed. Into third, big flip. And again. And that was the tyre. Woo! Yeah, so that was the tyre got a bit too low and it exploded, so we had a bit of a D-lab. So I'll just nurse it back into the pit. We'll swap tyres, back out again we go. Right, so we're just in the pit area now. I'm gonna back it into our bay, quickly change to another pair of tyres, and then off out again we go. I can drift okay, but my reversing isn't quite on par.
Let's go. Let's go. Check it out now. I arrive with my tribe, feeling free and alive. Eyes wide, seeking the mystique of the vibe. I'm here to get lost in the atmosphere and toss all of my grief in the rearview mirror. Cause every now and then life is a drag, and when I feel the pain, I run it right to the lab. To slip the bump into it, it becomes intimate. Quickly come get with the lift, it's unlimited. From my two lips down to my shoe tips, gotta stay sweaty, can't lag with the movements. Lacking action, cats get back relaxing and no longer have the passion. It's the stress of the rigmarole, weighing heavy on the human soul. When the tension and apprehension is always on the mind, you're confined and fenced in. Break loose, seize the moment. You're living in the world, but you can't own it. So stop trying to maintain control. It's time to enjoy the show. You got to let go. Don't hold the feeling in. You can't hold the feeling. Let go. Don't hold the feeling in. You can't hold the feeling. Let go. Don't hold the feeling in. You can't hold the feeling. Let go. Don't hold the feeling in. You can't hold the feeling. Let go. Woo! You got to let go. Come on. What's any man but a grain of sand, searching for the plan like Abraham? And we only have faith, not sight, so we wait for the day that we face our plight. So let your lifespan across the 9 planets leave your mark deep
day it's been here at Donington Park today. We've done like 39 passenger rides, we've met and greeted people. The track is absolutely amazing, and we literally lapped up every minute out there today. Yeah, this seat time's invaluable, you know, and it's been such a phenomenal day. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe and follow us to the next event. Peace for now.